Poultry remains one of the leading branches of agriculture. However, with the production of meat and eggs, poultry farms are also a source of various wastes in the form of poultry manure, feathers, and wastewater. An average poultry farm for 400,000 chickens produces up to 40,000 tons of manure per year. In its untreated form, this waste is hazardous to the environment due to the presence of pathogens and hermite eggs, and their use in the fields is prohibited by law in many countries. Therefore, for disposal, poultry droppings are disinfected and can be used only in a disinfected form, for example, as an organic fertilizer. Chemical disinfection is highly efficient in the destruction of pathogenic microflora, but at the same time, the manure is contaminated with chemicals and retains its unpleasant odor. The application of the disinfected manure in the fields generates a strong, unpleasant odor, which the wind can carry for dozens of kilometers, causing great discomfort to local residents and making their lives rather uncomfortable. The research department of GlobeCore has developed a new technology for mechanical disinfection and deodorization of poultry droppings using vortex layer devices. The essence of the technology is the processing of poultry droppings diluted with water in a vortex layer of ferromagnetic particles. A rotating electromagnetic field is created in the process chamber by an induction coil, which drives the ferromagnetic particles along complex trajectories, forming a vortex layer. At the same time, various processes and phenomena occur in the process chamber, which simultaneously disinfects and deodorizes poultry droppings. Some of the influences are the effect of a rotating electromagnetic field on the pathogenic microorganisms, cavitation, ultrasonic shock waves, high local pressure, electrolysis, etc. When processing manure in a vortex layer, additives can be introduced, such as phosphogypsum and dolomite powder. After the processing chamber and drying, the resulting fertilizer is completely disinfected, removing pathogenic microorganisms without the use of chemical processing methods and leaving no unpleasant odor. This GlobeCore technology makes it possible to use poultry manure fertilizers immediately after disinfection and deodorization, which reduces capital investment in construction of new storage and composition sites, improves environmental safety and the lives of people living near poultry farms and fields. In addition, fertilizers produced with the vortex layer machines can be applied to poor and infertile soils, and with subsequent tree planting, can make such soils rich and fertile again. What other agricultural waste would you process using a vortex layer machine? Leave your options in the comments. More information can be found at www.globecore.com.